Alright guys, so time for part 2. We had so much fun with this last year, we had to do it again. Does your partner know their left from their right? In this dribbling challenge, one contestant will lead a football through the cones. When you get to the last cone, you will attempt to score a goal. Oh, did I tell you that you'll be blindfolded while getting instructions from your teammate? Oh, and to make it even better, every time you accidentally touch a cone with a ball, you have to do the exercise that's under the cone. Of course, once you score, you switch roles. Team with the lowest time wins, and if you score, we remove 10 seconds from your time. So let's go.
In claustrophobic, you know? So you see drama out of this today.
I remember years ago I have a friend, and him and his girlfriend, I traveled them to Portland, Emil driving the back of them car, and I was fine. No, the claustrophobia is to a point where I had a 2-door car recently, and I can't sit in the back of the 2-door car to go somewhere. It's like I'm like, let me out, let me out, let me out. Or even driving in a bus at night that's too darkly tinted that you can't see outside, and sit in the back, I have to come out, like I don't know. So today when I was blindfolded, I had to take the blindfold off for a second. I was like, just give me a second to catch some deep breaths. I have no idea what that's about, but I guess at this point it is what it is.
Him big, eerie, and then him claustrophobic. Come on, all that match up. So I'm not even that think about myself and the blindfold. I really that think about him more. One cent tight. Yeah, come straight now the center. Take time, take time. Yeah, continue. Come up, take time, come up. Yeah, you see it there, come. Yeah, straight, come, keep it straight.
Yeah, take time, same way, slower. Take time, right in front of you. Go over to the left, little bit over to the left.
Wow. So what am I going to do that one, you know? Follow my techniques where Master Brian tell me, just stay focused. Say, all right, I listen to Jason. If him say move left, I move left. If him say move right, I move right. I just go listen to him, stay calm, stay focused, do what him tell me to do.
Yeah, no, left. Take time, left. Go on, stop. Reverse. Rolls behind you.
I'm a little bit claustrophobic. So the tape over my eyes and thing, it made me feel some kind of like I might freak out or something. So I wasn't feeling it.
One more time. There's the ball by your toe. Go forward with it. Carry the ball over to the left. Take your time. Then you're the cone. Yeah, take your time. Over more to the left.
Me give up at one point, you know. Me even tell Jesus, I'm sorry for you this week, you know, okay? Now we nothing, me I tell you that.
Yeah, all right. Over more to the left, to the right.
Don't kick over the cone.
Just tell me where the cone is then.
Stand up.
Yeah.
We are go right. Go up the road. No.
You said right. That's my right.
Alright, go your left. Come here, turn up, see me. See no more, see me. Go on up the road, Left. Yeah, keep it center, go on up the road. So, stand up.
What is so?
The that way, turn your big body,
When
so.
you the other way, use left and right.
Alright, turn.
Turn which way?
Which part the net man there? Turn your body, so.
This way?
Yeah.
One now?
Turn the seat a little bit more. You know, turn.
Which side?
To the net man, you know, turn fully to the net man. You just give me a bit.
I cannot know where the net is. You have to tell me. What
I
I'm
can't touch you.
This
Yeah.
way?
Yeah, go on.
One now? Oh, my teammate though. You see me? I'm like, yo, just tell me left and right. And she's like, turn this way, turn that way. Over there. So I'm like, I can't see. You know? Don't say net and up and down. You left and right.
A net, me say. You never know where net there.
I'm blindfolded. So then going straight?
Yeah, go straight same way.
Okay, just roll a bit through the cone. Straight, right in front of you. Yes. Go forward. And you're right in front of the goal at this point in time. Turn the hand a bit more. That's where the goal is. Okay? Right there where your hand is. Turn a bit more to the left. Turn your hand a bit more to the left. That's it. Perfect. Okay, now I want you to kick.
Quarter circle.
Which direction?
Right. Left. Yeah, don't move. I was saying to him, because I can't touch him, because at some interval, you just want to get mad and kick it with him, you know. But you can't do that and you can't touch him. And he was saying, say left, all right. So even when I say left or right, we still argue. Well, I guess they say I don't know my left. It's probably true. Probably we learn that after I lose a couple more pounds. Yeah, go turn right.
This is right.
Alright, left. Go straight, come straight. No, yeah, turn, go over back where you come from. Alright, give me a little 6:30. Come round little.
What?
Which direction name 6:30?
What are you saying?
6:30 in our song mean different things.
He was there and I said 360. But then him nah budge. So I said 6:30 and I realized him budge and do the 360. I said I don't know that add up, but it just come out. Yeah, turn up. Tell us you have careful, you know. Come man.
Yeah, take your time. Left again. No, left. That's all right. All right, stop. Straight some more. Put your foot on the ball now. Put one here. You're straight in front of the goal now.
Well, you know, I see nothing here. That's 1. 2, you wonder if you use the left foot or your right foot to score the goal, because all them I tell you say, the goal the right in front of your kick now. You understand? And then my 2 foot them live loving. I don't know which foot to use. I say, all right then. I just take my little time and just kick it. If it go in, so if it not go in, so.
Go in?
Yep.
Turn lick. You see which way you foot them care on you, sir? Yeah. Turn it, lick, cut it now, go straight round. Do me a beg you. To the right. Where you call it right? Show me a right.
That's my right.
Go left. Yeah. Try get it in there now. Yeah, you. Yeah.
This is the goal?
It's not the sun here, but I eat.
Am I facing it though?
Yeah.
So just kick?
Feel it wrong. Go to come more. Yeah.
Straight.
Wow, no, that was a very new one on me. I mean, you guys literally taped the eyes shut, put on the sleep mask, and inside there was just nothing but black. Not even a piece of sun could poke its way through. If I had a stick, I might feel a little bit better. I could at least poke and feel where the ball is. But once you lost the ball and you were blindfolded, you literally lost the ball. If you didn't have a sense of where it was going and where it might be, you had to completely depend on your team member, who may or may not say, the hand that your watch is on, turn that way. Or in the case of the blue team, no ban. I'm saying, okay, what am to left and right?
Come forward, yeah. Come forward somewhere. Oh, don't kick over the cone.
Well, when the tape go over, it just feel awful, like, you know, them are going to take you away anytime soon. I don't know that little something that was chipping and brain, and then say, all right, calm down. You're just on George's field. So. What?
No, man, I say come forward. Continue.
Yeah,
continue straight, just like how you're going. Straight.
All right, turn straight now in front of. All right, go for the ball over here, so. Go for the ball left. In front of you, left. Yes.
The blindfold thing, I wonder if Malika can guide me to the right through the cone, because some people don't know them left from them right. So me did I wonder if she gonna make me drop off over the goalie. But yeah, she do a good job. She know her left from her right. I mean know my left from my right. Big up my teacher from school, where teach me left from right.
Straight. Wait. Turn right to me. Turn right. Round right. Round right. Yeah, kick now.
Him follow instruction also, and him stay focused.
Over same way. Yeah.
It wasn't bad, but then when Gavin started giving me the instruction, I think him even did better than me when he must say, go cross and come round. I have to really stand up and get strong. What do you mean, sir?
And stop. So now the non-band side, give me a half circle turn to the non-band side. That side there, yeah.
It not feel the same way when you are showing me. When you blindfolded, it's a totally different thing. Like we don't have zero, it's not near to when you are see what go on.
Yeah, see there? Yeah.
At first, I could master left and right. But then when I got into it, I was like, no, come to me. Like, he's seen me. Come. I was like, at one point I stopped and I was like in my head, really? Really, Kerry? How am I going to say if it come to you? But why? it took a lot longer than I expected it to. Hold on. Hold on, sir. All right.
Left or right?
All right, this.
No, boy, without you now. Left or right? This side?
Yes.
Look forward. Put your head dead forward with the shoulder them. Looking, no. Why you turn? Yeah, just like that. Hold on, take a little shimmy over now to the right, to the band side. Small shimmy, tiny shimmy. Yeah, you're dead facing the goal now. Let's go for your biggest kick.
Yeah. See you goal, eh? Yeah. One up in there. Brother, your foot lean, eh? Your foot lean, man.
Kick to the goal.
Really?
Hard.
Am I pointing at the goal directly?
Yes.
My foot pointing towards it?
Yes. It wasn't really a miss because the goalie stopped the ball.
You're facing the goal still. You're still facing the goal. Put all the power you have in there. Give me a nice kick. Yeah? You can? Oh. Oh, sorry. Yo, that was a good try. Give me 5.
I pointed her right to the goal, but I don't know, somehow she kicked the ball and it went that way. So, but she tried, and then that's fine.
Nobody in that convo with me, no know left and right. My left bar right big, you ain't not chatting with. You make sure you know it now.
And finally, part 3. Coach Neville Bell has sent Akeem this morning to help us out with the challenge. You have 90 seconds to attempt to get the ball from him and score a goal. Good luck! Team who scores in the lowest time wins.
I never did plan to get the ball. I tell you honestly, I really did just totally left it pan Kevin 80% because he's a trash talker, so I think him should just go and trash and get the ball. I just did plan to look pretty and run. Probably if Akeem did come near me, I'd probably hug him up, that's him put it in, but that never worked, so I never want to look like me I stand up, so I did kind of go around.
That dude, yo, just me watch these soccer stars on TV and they say, oh, you should have passed the ball here, you should have moved here, do whatever. The brother fast could not touch the ball. At one point, I'm like, yo, should I keep chasing this brother? Because as I move towards the ball, the man end up over the other side of the field. Talent is talent, though.
Ah!
Akeem and a baller. See baller here where people think a baller. Me a real baller. Although me a sprinter still.
Akeem did kind of quick, yes, him quick, not kind of, him quick. Him swift.
Him a try use him speed. I'm tell him some have it. I was a sprinter.
Oh, we forget the ball, Akeem nearly drop. And that save with him slide.
Him the drop? Never see it. Him and a big ball. I mean, I can't tackle you know. Can't tackle. We just take a ball from him and just kick it in the goal.
Him not good.
If him never slide with all, still up on the field with him right now, I try to get the ball from him.
All right, yellow team, on your mark, get set, go!
even know.
I got it away from him, you know, and I had this one flustered kick trying to get it towards the goal, and foot just went and something happened and the ball fly off of there and the goal is over that side, and I'm saying that was my chance.
It was way out far from the goal, so poor thing.
And then by the time the ball went over there, he came around and picked it up back again, and he was gone like lightning. I mean, Kerry wasn't running. I was there doing my best to go.
Time!
At the end of that thing, I was there holding on to my heart because it was going boom, 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 boom.
Pile? Not as much that. Well, a tree? I not that.
All right, teams, how was the challenge today? Fun. You had fun?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Now for the first part of the challenge, no team kept up. No red, no yellow, no blue. Everybody came in with a whopping 0. So for the second part of the challenge, the dribbling challenge. In third place, we have the yellow team. They came in with 13 minutes and 5 seconds. In second place, we have the blue team, 12 minutes and 8 seconds. And in first place, the red team, 10 minutes and 27 seconds. And the final part of the challenge, the yellow team unfortunately did not score. The blue team scored in 30 seconds and the red team scored in 17 seconds. So our overall winner today is the red team. Congratulations, guys.
To be honest, I thought that the challenge would not have been ours today. I mean, I'm realistic. I look at my teammates and I know what they are good at and what they can do. And sometimes when we talk strategy, I look at the facial expression and how they receive what I say, and then I think likewise.
Yeah, we've been moving from third to 10, so we're making some kind of progress. I'm really happy that the result is showing, because even for Andre, when Andre just started the program, his sugar level was like 16, 15, 16, and now he's a 6, 5, 6, which is good. You know, with eating properly and exercising, he's right there.
I'm not really disappointed, but I want to win a challenge. But we'll see how it goes next week.
The cash per pound weighing is on the other side of the break. This is Losing It, the wait is over.